Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mike Wilson and I work for GEA, Global Esthetique Automobile. And I'm here to do some evidence-based tests on the new product from Opti-Coat known as Opti-Shield. Now, Opti-Shield is marketed as a liquid paint protection film, so it will bridge that gap between ceramic coatings and physical paint protection film. So what I have done, I have gotten my hands on a 30cc syringe early release for Opti-Shield, and I have coated in this area here 2 coats, which would be worth a 5-year warranty. And over here, in this area right here, I did 4 coats, which is good for 10. Now the cool thing about this new product is that it simply works as a wipe-on. There is some time frames and timelines that you need to meet, but in general, if you get a little nick or scratch in it, all you need to do is polish it out and then you're able to recoat, so you don't need to change the whole panel like you would with PPF. So what I'm going to do next though is I'm going to test its hardness. So I have gone out and purchased a slingshot. In that slingshot I'm going to fire ball bearings at this thing. One in this area here and one in that area here to see if there's been any damage. And here is the 30cc syringe that I was using on this car. In this whole syringe of 30cc Opti-Shield will coat your whole car. What I have here is a slingshot. It's called the King Rat Widowmaker. And here on my hand I have some ball bearings. Now at full draw, this thing will fire the bearing at about 160 kilometers an hour. So with all my research, if you're driving behind someone at 100 kilometers an hour and a rock come off their car and they're driving at 100 kilometers an hour, depending on the angle, the rock would hit your car between 40 and 60 kilometers an hour. So what I'm going to try with this is I'm just going to give it a quarter draw. So that would be a full draw. I'm going to give it a quarter draw and I'm going to fire these bearings at the left side and then the right side of the car. So here we go. Let's see what happens. Quarter draw and hit it. You heard it smack it there pretty good, actually. Yeah. And then I'm going to go over onto this side and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take it and I'm going to hit it, hopefully right in the middle, but I'm going to do it again, quarter draw, and let it go. There we go. I just hit it. So let's go ahead and get close and see what it did when I hit the car. So as you can see on here, there was no dent on the car and it didn't chip the paint. And right here in this area here is where I shot it, in this area right in here, and there's nothing. It didn't dent it at all. Well, not so much dent, it didn't chip it. So you know what, I'm pretty impressed. So I'm going to give it even a little bit more of a draw where, you know, it's simulating probably hitting the car at about 80 kilometers an hour. And let's see if it leaves anything on it. So here we go. We're going to give it another try. You'll see, got a pretty good draw on it, and you're going to hear it smack it. I mean, up on there, there is nothing on that car. Just give me a second, I'll grab the light. There ain't nothing on there. No ding. No anything. Wicked. So there you have it. I won't lie, I'm pretty impressed. I mean, that really turned out extremely well. It did not even leave a scratch or mark or anything like that on the back of my car. So the next phase is once it's completely released, I bought myself an R8. I'm going to be coating the rest of my R8 with Opti-Shield. Looks like it's a wonderful product. Hopefully it's out soon. Take care, my friends. Talk soon. Ciao.